Hi everyone, welcome back to Mind Matrix, where we explore the power of the mind and how it can help you to shape your reality. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on our daily videos. Today, we are diving into one of the most interesting concepts in personal development, which is the law of attraction. So, what is it? Does it really work? And how can you use it to change your life? Let's break it down. First of all, let's start with basics. What exactly is the law of attraction? In its simplest form, it's the belief that like attracts like. The idea is that by focusing on your thoughts, feelings, and energy on positive things, you can attract positive outcomes in your life. Your thoughts create your reality. It sounds pretty powerful. No, some people treat it as a mystical concept, but there is actually some science behind it that we will talk about shortly. But before we get there, let's dive deeper into the core principles of the law of attraction. The idea here is that your thoughts are energy. Whatever you focus on, you are sending out into the universe, and it has the potential to come back to you. Positive thoughts attract positive things, and negative thoughts can invite challenges in your life. But it is not just about metaphysical beliefs. There is real science behind it. Neuroscience has shown that our brains are pattern recognition machines. So, when you focus on something, your brain starts to identify patterns related to the focus. For example, if you focus on abundance, you might start noticing opportunities that you previously overlooked. Belief is another fundamental aspect of the law of attraction. When you believe in something, you are more likely to take action toward it. Think about it. If you truly believe that you are a successful and happy person, you will make decisions that reflect that belief. But if you doubt yourself, those doubts can become self-fulfilling prophecies. Visualization is the one of the most powerful tool in manifesting your desires. Picture yourself already living the life you want. But don't just see it in your mind, feel it. Feel the excitement, the gratitude, and the joy as if it's happening right now. The emotions you experience during visualization amplify the energy you are sending out into the universe. Affirmations are the positive statements you repeat to help rewire your subconscious mind. Instead of repeating, I want more money, repeat, I am financially abundant. Affirmation help reinforce your belief that you are already aligned with the thing that you desire. Doubts and resistance are the enemies of manifestation. Trust the process. If you feel uncertain or blocked, let go to that resistance. The law of attraction works when you allow things to flow freely. Remember, the universe responds to your belief and trust in it, so don't be depressed. No, some people argue that the law of attraction is just wishful thinking, and in a sense, they are right. Positive thinking alone won't magically change your life, but there is more to it. The law of attraction is about aligning your mindset, your emotions, and your actions with your desires. It is about creating an inner environment that supports your dream. So, positive thinking, belief, and action all work together to help you create the life you want. It's not enough to just think about what you want. You also need to act on it, believe in it, and trust that the universe is guiding you toward it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more tips on mastering your brain. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.